So, alright guys, I want to kind of see if I can show you pretty much right there where I'm drilling. That hole right there. So guys, kind of be patient. Everything is gonna fall into place. On this side here is a little higher, guys. So you can actually get a good bit of drill in this side. Alright guys, so we back. So the engineering that we're doing, what Chris doing now is actually putting the bands on. I mean, you guys can see that self-explanatory, not being an ass. But the modification that we did with the sensor, let me see right quick, fam. You guys can see those drill holes were, there we go. Those drill holes, I'm trying to get a good angle for you guys, camera. Yeah, they worked.
Yeah, this is the best guy right here, man.
So, I'm gonna get a better view for you as soon as we're done. You got that tight?
I guess so.
Good. All right, guys. So here you go. This is what it looks like, guys. Got a good, a nice hold on it. So double check. As far as when I say check, guys, I blocked off these holes here and this one here, and tried to see if I could see any light in it, and I couldn't. Now, it's not totally centered, guys. It may be maybe like a 15-degree difference in turn, if I can kind of get you guys to see in there. So it's not flush. I mean, as far as like straight, but the air still should hit it, and I don't think it should be an issue. But anyway, the reason we had to modify this is because when Chris got it, it was supposed to came ready for his car, and it wasn't. We have to do a lot of modifications. So guys, we figure back to putting this on, and then see you in a minute. All right, guys, we're back. As you see, the hood is down. We was just trying to check for clearance. Let me show you guys what it actually looks like. Now, keep in mind it is aftermarket. The kit that Chris ordered didn't really come sufficient with everything that we needed, so we actually did modifying ourselves, guys, to get this set up to where it will function. Let me see this light right quick. So this is the end product, guys. So we checked it. It's not any clearance issues, anything like that. We hadn't fired it up yet, so we're definitely going to fire it up. Ready? Yeah. So guys, we're back. And we getting this footage on. We're gonna do a test start. Ooh.
For real, for real.
All right, fam, we back. So as you see, we have already finished doing the intake on Chris' car. So if you guys notice, it's a little elevated. Why? Because the surprise that I was going to actually wait for, Chris decided to go ahead and do it now. So a while back, he ended up getting some coilovers, guys. The coilovers really wasn't that good. I'll go to the other side and show you guys what they look like. This is the ones that we took off. And as you guys can see, when he put it on the first time, he didn't have the bump stops in because he was told he didn't really need it. So you know what happened was these shocks ended up bottoming out and they ended up busting. So the car bounced tremendously and the ride is totally uncomfortable. So what we doing now, guys, we installing new ones and putting them on now. You see, you can't see it, guys. I open up the one in the box and show you. So we're putting these on, guys. Give me 1 second. Work the camera and get this off for you guys. And this is what we're putting on, guys. This is the brand that Chris decided to go with. So, the ones that we used before, guys, we had to reuse the top hat. So basically it was like a, you can like build it yourself, guys, so to say. So We decided not to go that route this time. We decided to go ahead and buy them already fully assembled and put them on to see what they're doing. So right now he's putting the bolt on.
Tight? But I tried that after.
Nah, don't touch it.
Don't touch it? You don't think it's tight?
Oh, is it loose or tight?
No, I'm just wondering. I'm just like, you know, pre-look at it before. After I'm done.
Hold up, guys. Let me check the load right quick. Give us 1 second. All right, guys. So what we're doing is we're already putting it on. Damn. I wish the lighting was better for you guys, so you guys can actually get a glimpse of what we're doing. But that's the coilover in place, and we're putting it on now. So, guys, what we're gonna do is go ahead and button this side up, and when we're done buttoning this side up, guys, we're gonna go ahead and head to the other side. So we're just gonna do the driver's side today. Well, we're gonna do the front side, passenger and driver. Then we do the rear tomorrow, guys. So see you in a minute. So as you guys see, we already got the other side off, which is the passenger side. And that's the one that was busting. Here, hold this. I don't know why my camera's all blurry, man. But anyway, there we go. That's the one right there, guys, that ended up busting and giving us a lot of problems. Hello? So yeah, guys, so we putting on the last one and we'll be good. So we'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, guys, so what we're doing is we're doing a test fit. We're gonna get ready to drop the car down and we're gonna check the clearance on the car. So obviously it's a little high at the moment, but it's because the suspension hasn't been set or drop down so the weight can actually balance itself out. So getting ready to do this side. Looks like it's pretty much going to be 2 fingers on this side. Let me see if it's 2 on this side, guys. But if it is, then we just know that, yeah, it's about 2. So the only thing we'll know is we'll drop it down probably about an inch. And we'll go with that. But yeah, once again, guys, we already finished doing this intake. And now we're going to get ready to drop the car. So it's about 2 fingers. So I say about 1.5 inches up. But then once we drop the car down, let it settle, guys, that should give us a true sense of what's jumping off. So we're not going to snug him, guys. We're just going to put him on just enough to grip it so he can let the car down. Ready? Yeah, easy. That lip. I just told you easy with that lip. That shit is low, dog. Look at that, guys. He's just scratching the lip. So, yeah, it's low. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit, you touch it. Let me see, guys. Hold up. Actually, it's not bad. It's pretty. I mean, you have to bring it up. Is it bouncing too much for you? Let me check this side.
Oh, bro, I'm too low, boy.
Yeah, we lift it up.
Yeah,
So
that's my name. That's low life right now.
yeah, we gonna lift it up about what, 1 inch? How low are you?
That's about 4 over 2.5. 4 over 1.5. Almost like 2 over 1.5. Like
So you wanna go 2.5?
like 2 over there?
Excuse me, guys. I've been battling the cold. So you wanna go there?
No,
Oh, that's where you at?
That's where we at. That's fine, man.
Oh, you need to go up there.
I see what's doing right.
Huh?
I want to see what's doing right now. Yeah, that's cool right there.
You cool right there?
Yeah, I want to see what's doing right there.
I mean, it shouldn't scratch or scrape. Let me get down here, guys, right quick. I know you guys won't be able to see. Excuse me, I'm just checking the clearance.
Take on the back ones?
Yeah. Alright, guys, so we're gonna jump on the back right quick. Get some more video going for you. Alright, guys, we back. So we're working on the passenger rear, and we're getting it done. So
Taking forever to get it done though.
yeah, this is gonna be dirt low, guys. Dirt low. Look at that, guys. Oh yeah, we're gonna have a rim all up in here. But yeah, guys, we're trying to get it done.
Where was it again, bro? Fort? Right there.
Yep. Gotta come up and go down.
Down 2 more.
You sure? This dirt low, bro.
Oh,
This dirt low.
stuck.
It may be it. So we putting the back passenger side back on, guys. Everything's been set. So the way the setup was on this one, I believe we did 4 and 1 on 4 and 1 under on the rear, and we did 1 and 4 over on the front. If that makes sense to you guys, it's just the way we marking it on the. All right, guys, we back. As you can see, we got some daylight, not nighttime anymore. And what we're doing, guys, now we just readjusting the backs on there. So Chris, give them a quick breakdown of what happened after last night, because man, we didn't get off till like extremely late.
Well, last night we get this part finished, and I tackled the other side. The other side had a little glitch because the one nut was stuck on that side, and man, it was an hassle for me to take it off. So I got it taken off, and I tried to install this one, but I was so tired, man. When I put on the tires, when I finished putting on the tires, I noticed it was too low. It was really rubbing onto here. So what I did is I just call it a night and just you know, go to sleep. But this morning I got up and now I'm back here doing this.
So we're getting back at it. So guys, what we're gonna do now? What we're doing is we're doing the preset on the back, and I think we're gonna set this at it's at 6, so we're gonna do like 5 and a third to bring it down. Meaning our adjustments may be a little different from you guys, but we basically what we're doing is we're just adjusting the inner spring itself and the load at the bottom part as far as the sprocket, making it go up and down to give us more clearance. So Chris wants to run 2 from wheel to fender on the outside. So that's basically what I'm saying. We're doing a 5 and a third on the inside. So I think the other side is set at 1 all the way, so the wheel is tucked completely. So I'll show you guys what that look like in a second. So that's pretty much what we're gonna do on this side. Then we're gonna finish that side. Then we're gonna take it for a test ride, guys. So yeah, but we already got part 1 uploading, so you guys can actually see what took place at nighttime, at the nighttime event. I'm gonna get a couple things done today, guys. I'm taking some good photo shots and stuff. We're gonna also go visit one of my good brothers, which I'm gonna show you the things that we're doing on the 350Z. We actually did a wide body setup on the 350Z, which is gonna be pretty sweet. So I want you guys to also take care of that and see the things that we're doing. So this is what it looks like in the daytime. It looks good, I'm telling you guys. My car still hadn't done anything else to it. I got a lot of things in the making. I'm going to finish it. So as of right now, this is not my priority. Oh, the only thing I did do to it was the whole hood was carbon fiber. So what we did was we just took the rest of it off and trimmed it, took the eyelids off. So I just opened it back up like this a little bit, but I have another design that I'm actually going to do on the car. So right now, that's not really my main focus. Changing the wheels, as you guys can see, dent it up. So yeah, I'm gonna do something different with it, but right now I'm gonna actually work on this and get everything going with Chris on this, guys. And like I say, I also have my own show car that I'm gonna put together. I'm gonna give you guys some details of that, so you guys can see that. So stay tuned. Let's get this boy down, see what it look like. Oh yeah, dirt low, guys, just like that, man. Street runners, man. And that's what we call a fish.
That's what I like right now.
So we finishing up this last side, guys. And like I said, the only reason it took long, man, the back is a hell. It's a pain in the ass too. Bam. All right, guys. So what we gonna do now, because we got the back on A1, as they call Prestige, we gonna take a look at this front though. It's a little low. Now, you guys can see right there where my hand is. That's rubber, and it's just rubbing right on it. So yes, it's not going to be a good idea to ride it like that. So what we're going to do is lift this up and give it some clearance, guys. We have no choice. But other than that, looking pretty good. We're looking pretty good. And actually, guys, in the future, We was kind of thinking about doing air ride, but I don't know, guys. This car is a pain in the ass. Hey, but yo, we got some used, not good. You can have them. Coilovers, the shocks are no good in here, so anybody know how to fix on those, refurbish them or refurb or whatever the phrase is for, guys. Hey man, hit me up, leave me a message on YouTube, guys, and if we still have them, you can have them. So yeah, guys, we getting everything done, getting it set. So Teddy was supposed to be on as well here, guys. He hadn't came here yet. Not really knowing what's going on with Teddy at the moment, but a couple other bros, they're kind of waiting.